Hello students, welcome to Siddhapur Mathematics Academy. So in the integration class, in the last class, I started with the method of substitution and I gave 5 questions for the assignment, that is a homework. Now first I will explain that 5 questions. See question number 66, correct or what? Root of 1 minus x. Here again we will go for substitution when already you are familiar. When you are doing a substitution, maximum time we are not writing the power. Put 1 minus x is dt, differentiate that 1 is 0, x is dx. Because of this minus we have to write minus sign. Root t minus dt. Minus outside. Root t will be what? T raised to half. Take that 3 by 2 in the numerator. Minus 2 by 3. T value is question number 67. 1 upon root of 1 minus x. Here also we will apply method of substitution without power. Same as in the above. Minus outside. What is integration of 1 by root t to root t? There is x t, only that much is the difference. 2 root t. T value is 1 minus x plus. Question number 68. One upon 5x minus 3. Put 5x minus 3 is equal to t. 5 constant x is dx is equal to dt. dt by 5. 1 by t dt by 5. 1 by 5 constant, integration of 1 by t is log t. Next, moving to the next question, question number 69. Question number 69. One upon 1 minus x. Same as usual previous. Next, question number 70. Here I will not do any substitution, directly I will write, because we are familiar with the standard formula as well as generalized formula, and in front of that write down the formula. Tan square 2x. Search that formula list. We don't have the formula for tan square, but the identity is like this. 1 plus tan square x is secant square x. What is tan square x? Tan square x is secant square x minus 1. In place of x we have a 2x. Secant square 2x minus 1. What is integration of secant square? Tan 2x divided by 2. Integration of 1 is x plus. Next. Question number 72. Cot square 3x. Like tan square, we don't have a formula for cot square also in integration, but the identity is like this. And what is cot square x? Cosecant square x minus 1. In place of x we have a 3x. Cx. This is the angle for cosecant. What is the integration of cosecant square? Minus cot 3x. Angle is other than 1. X coefficient is other than 1. It comes in the denominator. Minus that is integration of 1 is x. Moving to the next question. Question number 73. See, if you are thorough in the basics, directly you can solve NCERT questions. Question number 73. 1 upon cos square 3x. 1 by cos square will be written as secant square 3x. Integration of secant square is tan 3x by 3. Coefficient is other than 1. Sin square 3x. See, in one of the previous example I already gave. Sin square x will be 1 minus cos 2x divided by 2. At that time only I told you, whatever is the angle, it becomes double. In this case, angle is 3x. Then how you write? 3x double is 6. Refer this. Remember that hint. 1 by 2 constant. Integration of 1 is x. Integration of cos 6x is sin 6x divided by 6. That coefficient comes in the denominator. And if you want, remove the bracket. Moving to the next question. Question number 75. Sin x into cos x. And students, here please note down, for one problem we have a different methods. Your friends can solve by different method and you are solving by different method, and don't tell that your answer is correct, your friends is wrong. No, like that. In differentiation, in integration, depending on your knowledge, you can solve by any method. For the same problem, I will explain 3 methods. Please note down that. That means all the 3 are correct and it depends which formula you are using. The answer is depending which formula you are using. Have you remembered multiples and submultiple? Yes. Sin x into cos x will be written as sin 2x divided by 2. I will write the formula. See here. Sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta into cos theta. This formula I am using. With the help of this, sin theta into cos theta is sin 2 theta divided by 2. Here instead of theta we have x. 1 by 2 constant, what is remaining? Sin 2x is remaining. What is the integration of sin 2x? Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. This is 1 by 2 in the bracket. Now write in the systematic way. Minus cos 2x divided by 4 plus, this is the one method. In question number 75 only second method. Sin x into cos x. Here I am applying sin x as a t. What is the differentiation of sin x? Cos x into dx, because angle x, dx. I told wherever x you are differentiating, write dx is equal to dt. That means sin x is t, cos x into dx is dt. I did the underline C. Integration of t is t square by 2. Write down that t value. T is sin square x. This is the second method. Third method. First see how I wrote. Can we write like this multiplication? Just I interchanged them. And now I am doing the substitution. Differentiation of cos x is minus sin x into dx is equal to dt. This value, but there is a negative. This will be minus dt. T into minus dt. Write minus outside, t is t square by 2 plus c. Write down that t value. See, in all the three questions methods you will get a different answer, but you cannot say that the first one is correct, second one is wrong, not like that, because in all the three I am using different formulas. Like this integration is very interesting. It helps you to increase your thinking power. Now moving to the question number 76. Yes, again with question number 76. 1 upon sin square x. 1 upon sin square x will be written as cosecant square 3x. What is the integration of cosecant square? Minus cot 3x divided by 3 plus. Question number 77. Cos 2x divided by sin square 2x. See, cos by sin square is cot into cosecant. What is the integration of cot into cosec? Go for standard. It is minus cosecant. And coefficient of x is other than 1. It comes in the denominator. Next, question number 78. E raised to x by 3. Have you remembered the standard integration? Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Here it is e raised to x by 3. Coefficient of x is what? 1 by 3 by. See, x by 3 will be 1 by 3 into x. Coefficient of x is 1 by 3. It comes in the denominator, and 1 by 3 it goes up. It will be written like this. Question number 79. 1 upon e raised to 2x. It will be written as e raised to minus 2x into x. X coefficient is minus 2. So what will be your answer? You can write one more step. Minus 1 by 2. Because of this negative value, it comes in the denominator. Correct or what? Yes. Moving to the next question. Question number 80. Question number 80. E raised to x 1 by 2 constant. Write it first. Keep 1 by 2 as it is. Integration of e raised to x is e raised to x. Integration of e raised to minus x is e raised to minus x upon minus 1, because x coefficient is other than 1, that is minus 1. And this minus into minus becomes plus. Question number 81. 1 upon cos square ax. 1 by cos square is secant square and x coefficient is other than 1. It is tan ax upon a plus c. Correct or what? Question number 82. Sin x plus cos x whole square. Here I am not applying any method of substitution. I am applying a plus b whole square. A square plus b square plus 2ab. What is sin square x plus cos square x? Yes, that is 1. What is 2 sin x into cos x? Sin 2x. Now integrate. Integration of 1 into dx with respect to x means x. Integration of sin 2x is minus cos 2x divided by 2. This plus into minus becomes minus. And one question I will give as a homework, that is sin x minus cos x whole square. The only difference is in between them minus. Don't worry about it. You will solve because only change is minus. Moving to the next question, that is question number 84. Question number 84. 1 minus 4x whole square. So here I did substitution. Put 1 minus 4x is equal to t. 1 0 minus 4x is minus 4 into dx is equal to dt. Yes. Minus 1 by 4 outside, t square is, write down t value. Middle minus. Two x minus 3 raised to 4. So 2 constant, dx is equal to dt. dt by 2. That I am writing like this because that is in the denominator. Minus 1 by 6 t cube. Write down the t value. Moving to the next question, question number 86. They are very simple. See, if you are thorough in this, easily you can solve 7.8 and 7.3 both. 7.2 and 7.3 both, because they both are related with each other. One is with the trigonometric and one is method of substitution. Question number 86. E raised to minus x is e raised to minus x upon minus 1. That coefficient comes in the denominator. If they are negative, we have to write that terms also in the below. Plus into minus is minus. Plus into minus, minus into minus is plus. Question number 87. Now integrate. Minus 1 by 3 constant log t question number 88. 1 upon sine square x by 2. 1 by sine square is what? Cosecant square x by 2. Integration of cosecant square is cot x by 2. Coefficient of x is 1 by 2. Moving to the next question. Question number 89. The sums are very simple. Only, as I told you, only the practice is required. If you practice, then only you are familiar which formula is applicable for which example. Question number 89. Sin x by 3 upon cos square x by 3. Sin by cos square is what? Tan x by 3 into sec x by 3. Tan into sec is what? Integration of tan into sec is sec. Coefficient of x by 3 means 1 by 3. Question number 90. 1 upon x root of 1 minus x. See here, 1 minus x and root 1 minus x. This power is 1, this power is half. The terms are similar. They are in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n. Before integration or before substitution. Now go for substitution. Put 1 minus x is equal to 3. Yes. Dx is minus dt. Then how you write this? 1 upon t raised to 3 by 2 minus dt. It is in denominator, take it in the numerator. Now integrate. Plus 1 upon minus 3 by 2 plus 1. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2 upon minus 1 by 2. This minus and this minus become plus. and this negative, it comes in the denominator. Write down t raised to half is nothing but root t or what? Yes, that is root of 1 minus x plus c. Correct or what? You are following or you have any doubt? Yes, in the next class also I will give some more examples on method of substitution only. After that I will start with the exercise of NCERT 7.2.